In a quiet neighborhood between houses, there lived two adventurous individuals, a young man and a woman. The young woman was famed for her fearless spirit and boundless curiosity, while the young man was known for his agility and strength. They were inseparable friends, always seeking new thrills to chase. One cloudy morning, the duo with a bike found themselves exploring a garage at the edge of town. The garage had been unused for a couple of months as the owner was out of the country for quite some time already. The two forcibly open the garage and steal some items inside. Tons of expensive and important stuffs inside the garage had been looted. While the two were very busy enjoying the loot, they do not know that there is a CCTV system looking at them, and the police were dispatched and now waiting for them outside the garage. The two were caught red-handed and were sent to jail.